And I am so excited. I have just purchased from Amazon another set of rulers. And these I'm so excited about. I got an entire set of rulers for about the price of one ruler. So we are going to open these up and take a look at our quilting rulers. These are made in China, but that only is par for the course. Most of our things are made in China, so no worries, no fret there. I was worried it would be thin, and my hands are around very thick, beautiful. Look at this. Also included, I am so excited. These are the little circle gummies to put on the rulers to keep them from moving. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, let's open this up. This is my new 12.5 by 12.5 ruler. Oh my gosh, I got the entire set for the cost of one ruler. And look at this. Now I can put it on my blocks. I'm going to trim up my blocks. I am so excited. And look at these gummy rulers. I've also purchased in the same kit for about the price of one of the medium-sized rulers. I have a 12.5 ruler. I have an, I think this is a 10 inch, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. 10-inch square ruler. Look at that. And I have an 8-inch ruler. Oh, I may love this one the most. And this is my 5-inch ruler. Look at this, my friends. I have all 4 of these rulers for the price of one. Let's see where I can get this opened. I'm so excited. Woohoo! I cannot wait to cut with our new rulers. I am so excited. They are wrapped up really well. They come with a little bit of that cushy stuff, and then I have them each in plastic bags inside of one another, just very well packed. And let me show you how these feet go on the bottom. Oh, that's paper, that's plastic. And we're going to open these up. Take this sheet out of here for my gummies. And it's sticking a little bit, no biggie. Take this one off the package. Now, these come in like a little circle with a dot on it. Now, I usually put my dots on the smaller rulers. Now, some people tell me they have problem with rulers when they are yellow. So I'm going to decide which way I want this to be upright, and I'm going to put that little dot on the bottom near the half and half mark there. I'm going to put the larger one on the bottom right at that corner. And then let's get a couple of more. I'm going to put 4 of these circles, and that way this ruler is never going to move around on me. I can feel confident my cuts are going to be very accurate because I have set myself up for success by using my dots on my small ruler. See how I'm just putting that on? Can you see that? I'm hoping the dots, and I got to get one more. So my dots are going at the half-inch mark, and my holes are going at the 1-inch square mark. And look at this. I can put this down and it's not going anywhere. Look at this. Look at this. It is really staying in place. I'm so excited about this. And let me show you my dots. My dots are here, 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 and here, kind of inside that green line. And look at this. Sylvia, my mother, has problems seeing the grids when they're in yellow. So this is a beautiful green color. You can get them in different colors. I almost got pink because I love pink. Hey, I'm a girl. Why not? But I got these in green so that she would feel very confident in them. And I'm going to go ahead and finish setting these up. Again, I am so excited. And if you have these extra dots, you're not going to use them immediately, just stick them back on this sheet. They're going to stay on that sheet until you want to take them off, okay? So this is just, I'm so excited. I feel like it's my birthday. What do you think? I want to turn this over and cut with it. I'm so excited about these rulers. And I was worried they'd be thin. They're the same thickness as every other quilting ruler out there. So they're not too thick, they're not too thin, they're perfect, just like all the professional rulers. They are the same. Professional rulers, you've got all of your grid lines that we use cutting our triangles and everything else. I am so psyched about this. And again, with those grippies, it's just absolutely perfect. Let's put our grippies on the large one. And then I am going to demonstrate by trimming up a block or two. And this big one, not thinking, I put it at the 1.5 inch mark, and that is perfectly perfect. So we're going to put these all approximately at the 1.5 inch mark. It is a larger ruler, so that is just perfect. I'm not measuring precisely, but I'm pretty close. All right, and getting this one at the 1.5 inch mark. And I'm going to put my dots. Look how many they give you. They give you enough for a second set that you can use for just about anything that you want to stay put on a smooth surface. So I'm very, very excited about that. I'm going to put that in recycling, and let's go ahead, move these other rulers aside, get out my 12.5 by 12.5 inch, which should be perfect. I shouldn't have to trim off of it, but I really, really want to cut something. So let's go ahead and grab just another fabric, and we can cut something, shall we? Look at this. Oh, look at that. It's not even. It's not even. So we can fold this in half, fold this in half. I'm currently using 3.5 inch scrappy squares, so I can go ahead and put this ruler at the 3.5 inch for my scrappy squares and trim it. So I have 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. What am I doing? I'm just so excited about these rulers. And I'm going to hold it down, keeping my hand at least a 1/2 inch, but in this case it's a full inch away from the side. We're going to use our rotary blade. It stays put. I'm so excited about this ruler. Look at this. Look at this. It's not, well, we could put another gum. Oh, that was my mat moving. We can put another gummy under there if we want, but it is pretty stable. I'm so excited. We'll put this in the 3.5 inch quilt blocks that I'm currently using. And look at this. All right, so let's play with my smallest square. And we're going to put that right here. Line it up with my edge. Make sure it's not on the selvage. And find my rotary again. And we are going to slice this one. I shouldn't slice backwards. Let me go on the other side. Sorry. Slice off my selvage. Put that in the scrap bin. Slice out my square. Look at that. I have 2 perfectly 5-inch squares. I am so, oops, look, I didn't cut off the selvage because I'm so excited about what these rulers are to me. I am so excited. So these rulers are really just perfect for me. I cannot believe I have all of these. I feel like it's my birthday because these were so cheap, and they are just as thick, just as wonderful as my other rulers. Now, can I prove that to you? Sure. Let's get out one of these rulers that I have broken, but it's kind of my favorite ruler. And we're going to line them up right here. They are the same exact size of plexiglass. I wish you could see that better. How do I do this? Let me lay them down and go like this. Same size. So that is just very, very exciting. And look at the rules. Look at the measurements. It's even emphasized much more on this smaller ruler right at the edge, right on the center, than this larger ruler is. So I am very, very psyched. This is a 5-inch by 24-inch longer ruler, and this is just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I hope that you will take advantage of these. I'm going to pop them into the description on the bottom. Take advantage of just checking them out, seeing what your rulers are. There's different sets. So depending upon what size rulers you need to update or replace or add to your quilting stock, this is really something I'm excited about, and I am going to go ahead and cut up a whole bunch of fabric. Even though I have what I need for this quilt done, we're going to cut it up for the next one. And thank you so much for joining me today. Take a look in my description, and the link is going to be an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. As an Amazon associate, I do earn from qualifying purchases, and this helps support my channel and allows me to continue to bring you great new finds and great new quilting videos. So thanks so much. Consider taking advantage of these if you need them, and just keep them in mind for future use. Have a great day, my friends. See you again real soon with the next quilt.